It's me. Hi. Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, if you're watching this, I'm going to just get going. Hop into my terminal. I'm working on a new marketing site for BarkPass. And I'm using Tailwind UI. Right now I'm working on the the government page specifically. We decided to do audience-based pages because I think that is the target we want to go for next. Instead of just a bunch of random features, we want to like really specifically target two audiences, government and business. And so that's what we're doing. And so what I've been doing is trying to create a list of like selling points and features. Honestly, just it's a feature list, which is not super fun, but it's I think what people are looking for. We just get asked about what features we have, and so I'm doing that here. And going through the page, I have one section talking about the customizable interface. And then compliance and animal control. I feel like animal control, veterinary access, and then all like document validation, waiver integration, pass approval stuff is always something we get asked about in calls. Yeah, and so what I'm doing is kind of starting with a laundry list of things. I'm having ChatGPT help me, and then I'm going to go back through and rewrite a lot of this stuff and insert some more visually pleasing things. And so I've covered like the compliance thing. I've covered like the interface. I feel like this definitely, I mean, you see the interface here, but we need kind of more visuals. And then I'm going to try to tackle the next thing here. I feel like, okay. And then I also want to pull things from our current marketing site, which highlight important features for like pet licensing. This is meant to be the user experience, UI, branding, price levels, required documents. So we kind of covered compliance with required documents. This would be a good visual to drop in. And then price level definitions, talk about our price level engine would be good. And then bundling, past bundling is, I think, key. And so I should add a section for that. A testimonial. We talked kind of about the source of truth. We should add microchip number, tag number in here. Let's see. comprehensive source for pet data, like name, microchip number, tag number, owner, contact information, and more. So, lovely. And then, is there anything in here that we've already covered? I think this one is already covered now. Animal control, advanced features for animal control, powerful pricing. I think we should do a whole section based on pricing. Waivers, check-ins with QR codes. We talked about waivers. Check-ins we're not going to discuss in this round because I don't think people from government are looking for that as a primary feature. And animal control incidents. We should do like incident management as one of these items here. So let's do case management, case and incident management. Manage animal control incidents and cases, including the ability to issue warnings, citations, and fines. We don't have those features yet. We will. To track warnings, and restrict pets based on past events. Cool. I like that there. So we covered that. Tag, number generation, and interactive reporting, access control, administration and control. Next up, I don't know, what should we do next? I think we should do pricing. So I'm gonna just browse for some. So we've got like this layout. It's a heading, 3-column, and then there's this, I'm calling this the laundry list heading, and then a laundry list of features in different columns. I would like to probably do something that is variable, maybe add a third variant of section to this landing page. So I would go to Tailwind UI here and look for something that fits those needs, something in the feature section. So for this, I'm going to do like the pricing engine, and I can get a screenshot for this. So maybe like even something like this could work, where it's heading, description, few bullet points, and then an offset image. So that could work. This is like a giant image. Oh, this could be nice though, since I do want to highlight everything. I think I'm going to do this, honestly. So let's try this one in white, and then I will just remove the white background and do everything that I need to do for dark mode. Let's call this, we have large header feature, header with large feature. We have laundry list, 3-column. We have, I'll call this mega feature.blade.php. I'm going to paste this in here, re-indent it. I'm going to remove the white background. I already have some things set up here for like this eyebrow at the top, the heading, and then the description. So I'm just going to call this a head slot. And then this will be the like media. The media thing. This is going to be, it's got a rounded, it's like some margin at the bottom for the fade in, rounded borders, shadow, ring. So we would probably want to wrap that in something. I have, I already have a component for something like that called large header feature, where it's like the fadeaway and the, not the fadeaway, but the ring. So let's add something called like large fadeaway feature.blade.php. And then let's drop that in. I'm just going to grab the class and then I'll stick the image in as a child. And so let's, for now, let's just do this X marketing new large fade away feature. And then pass that as a child. And we'll remove the class. Just make sure that it still works. Oops. Cool. And then this is a little fadeaway gradient. And then each of these things beneath will be an icon, a title, and then a description. So we'll need like an icon, and so this will be I would call this like a component of mega feature item. And so I'd go back here, do like mega feature item.blade, reindent. I'm gonna copy this class. We'll just do an X dynamic component for Laravel Blade. And then the component is going to be the icon prop that is passed. And we'll apply that class to it. We already have all this viewbox and aria and fill stuff set up. And then we'll just self-close that tag. We'll do title and then just slot for the body. So it needs an icon and a title for sure. All right, and then so we'll just populate all of these. I want to change that indigo from indigo to green for my branding, and then add some dark mode text gray 100. Lovely. Let's delete all these little feature thingies and then drop in the slot. Cool. Let's try rendering this now. Mega feature. Mega feature, and we're going to do that in our for government. Let's do it under this thing. We're going to do X marketing, news sections, mega feature. And the header slot, X slot, we're going to add some stuff for X marketing new H2. Whoops. Yeah. And we're doing powerful engine pricing your way. hi Tino Webb from Brazil. Thanks for joining. I haven't checked this chat in a while, so thanks for hanging out, my 2 concurrent viewers. What a treat. And then a description for powerful pricing engine. Let's see if ChatGPT. All right, I like that. And then we just need to fill in the body with all these new items. So the large fadeaway, the feature. We'll pass that as an argument soon, but then we need the, large fadeaway feature, large mega feature item. Is that mega feature item? Yeah, that we just built. X marketing new mega feature item. And it needs an icon and a title and then a slot. So icon, I'm going to have ChatGPT help me at this point. Let's see. Let's see. I want to build a section highlighting the pricing engine, including call outs for the following features. The features I want to call out are that flexible multiple price levels can be assigned to each pass. Pricing rules are defined based on conditions like pet alteration status, pet type, and more. Geographic and based residency. GS integration allows you to define a boundary for residency status and charge based on that. You can charge based on charge prices based on the presence, based on whether the customer has a valid document, e.g. proof of alteration. What else can you do with this pricing engine? Charge different prices for, let's say, give discounts to additional pets. Let's do like create coupons and discounts for promotional events. Let's do that. And then I want to please format each item with as this. All right, let's see what it can get us. Let's copy this. I don't like that it capitalized all those, but we can fix that. I don't know if adjustments is an icon or variable. Seems unlikely. Badge check. Heart. Ticket. Okay. Oh, adjustments. Yeah, I figured. Price levels. I'll do V1 Huracans. Let's do like price, level, scale. I'll do scale. And then, oh, what? No, we don't need the X. I like it. I like that there were 6 of them. I'm gonna do feature item. I'm gonna add a period after this. Now let's go get a picture. Oh, come on. Why does this V always intercept the click events and refresh the current page? It's been like this for like a year. Pass prices. Let's try this and see how it looks. Maybe the quickest way to preview this would be what? Dropping it in the public folder. Screenshot. Do pricing engine. I would probably call this into preview and rename it or export it as a JPEG to be just way smaller. And then I would drag it to my BarkPass public folder. Eventually I'll put it on the CDN. Pricing engine. So let's accept a slot here for the fadeaway feature. Yeah, let's do it like this feature. We'll do pricing engine.jpg. See how that turns out. Didn't turn out. Presumably can't find it. Why? Oh, it's under images. Nice. I like it. Now, if this were dark mode, which I can change, then it's going to look crappy. In that case, I would change mega feature, well, a large fadeaway feature. I would include the gradient needs to be different when it's dark mode. So I would do dark from black. And so, yeah, I would probably also swap out the screenshot in dark mode. And then these little babies need better text color on dark mode. Yeah. Okay. So I got pricing, I got animal control and compliance, I got customizable interface, I got a little demo up here in my header. So we also need to just do like administration, like tag management, reporting, data exports, payments and security. I have a whole thing that I can kind of repurpose for payments, and then engagement. I can do the messaging call out that I did on my current site. So I think I can condense these into a few and space them out with a couple testimonials. Fun. Let's do switch back to light mode again. So reporting, administration, tag number, stuff, search, data exports. What do I say on my current site? Integrations is where I have the tag numbers and reporting. Bundling I do want to do as well. So this was like a full, I should do like a left or right anchored one. What should I do? I think I'm going to take a break, sign off. This is fun. Thanks for joining me in this about half-hour experimental stream. I'll probably do more of these later, but see you later.